First off with this model, I'm pretty sure they tried to stuff every possible upgrade in this bad boy. Curb appeal wise, the bay windows added a nice feature here on bedroom 2. Also, it provided a nice kind of classic feel on the inside, added some nice character. Coming in the foyer though, it kind of felt a little narrow because this is a little on the longer side. Bath 2 here is shared by any and all your guests. There's for a plan this big, I'm surprised they don't have a half bath. It's kind of a norm, really. This flex room here, which definitely is kind of situated more like an office than anything. A very nice sized laundry room. The one I walked on site didn't have this storage area. It actually had this bedroom 4, which to me in a 55 up, I don't know why you need so many bedrooms, honestly, unless you were going to do a little fitness room or another office or whatnot, but I'm not sure. You would have to really need that indoor space, because losing some garage space and that storage is there's definitely a difference there. Now, probably the highlight downstairs as a whole is this large kind of area that really makes it seem ideal for hosting. You got a very nice sized kitchen island here. How the kitchen layout is, it's really got a nice flow. The gathering room just feels massive. It really does. Like you could have any type of furniture in there you would want, and then some. Went ridiculous on the outside. They had little putting green and whatnot, so you know, when your husband wants to show off with the boys or whatever, he's covered there. Her suite, the room itself was large, but the bath as a whole kind of seemed like all the others. It really wasn't anything that stood out. The walk-in closet was a nice size, but pretty standard. This one has the loft and bedroom upstairs. This was actually pretty neat. You know, I could see this being ideal if you're coming from a place that, you know, you had a basement or whatnot, or if you want to turn this into, you know, the ultimate kind of game room or whatnot. Definitely, it's large. And this HVAC area was super nice, and there's a ton of storage, so you can hide away the stuff you don't want the guests to see, whatnot, you know, all the cleaning stuff. But this was actually very impressive. I mean, look at this walk-in closet. The bath up there was nice. I mean, this was actually really nice.